Hello learners, I'm Ulysses Roman and welcome to Microsoft Excel Tips Flash Fill. Let's begin learning. So there's this feature in Excel called Flash Fill that I'd like to show you. So taking a look at example one, I have a list here of first names and last names, and I want to be able to generate the full name. But you don't want to type it down individually. So there's an easier way using Flash Fill. So the first thing you want to do is type in the first name. It recognizes this pattern. So what you're going to do is just going to click and drag. Don't worry about that the name repeated. We're looking for this icon right here called autofill option. You're going to click on that, hit flash fill, and there it goes. It recognizes all the names. We can do this feature also using the control E function. So taking a look at example two, I have a list here of the full names, and I want to separate the full names from first name and last name. So the first name is already completed. I just want to do the last name. I'm just going to type in the last name. I'm going to click out, click back in, hit Control E, and there you go. It also combines two columns into one. In this case, I want to type in the first name and the last name. I'm going to click out, click back in, hit Control E, and there it goes. It combined the names. So yeah, it also cleans up the data, which is pretty cool. So as you can see in example three, we have first names that have some gaps in it. So all you need to do is just type in the first name, and then again, click out, click back in, hit Control E, and there you go. You have all the list of names all cleaned. Um, One feature that I did miss in example three, which is also cool, is that you could even add little special characters, right? So in this case, if I wanted to do the last name, comma, first name, right? Just type it in that way, hit Control E. Oops, I need to clear out the values first. Back, Control E, and there you go. Yeah, so that's I really like this flash fill. It's definitely a time saver, especially when you have a list, a long list of data that you want to kind of clean up. This also works with addresses and just kind of choosing certain information within the cell that you want to pull out. So in this case, I want to pull out the zip code. So I'm just going to type in the zip code here. Again, and hit Control E, and as you can see, it pulled out all the zip codes. It also does combining, as we did with the names. So in this case, we have the address here, we have the city, we have the state, and the zip code. So all you need to do is just type in the first address as you want it to appear, then hit Control E, and there you go. Pretty cool function. For more Excel resources and video content, please visit my website at ulyssesroman.com.